We are here with you again at Nathan's Detailing. I'm Nathan, thank you so much for being here. We're here with this 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5. We did a full stealth wrap on this vehicle. It was already stealth, but he wanted to make sure that it had that protection on there. So we wrapped the entire vehicle with stealth. Some of my first impressions when I saw it from the side view, I don't know if you remember that it was a Pontiac that was kind of had the shape of this. I can't remember exactly. It was a Pontiac of some sort.
Pontiac Aztec.
The Pontiac Aztec. Thank you, John. All these EVs, these unique front ends. Question, do you like the EV designs or would you prefer them to look like normal cars but still be EVs? Tell us what your thoughts are. We'd love to hear from you on that. While you're on there commenting, make sure you like and subscribe. One of the things that most of the EVs have is the wheels, man. They just cover so much. This one has black gloss on it and kind of this brushed aluminum on it. I'm looking down here. This was a very challenging piece of PPF. Had to trim out every single one of these edges on there, but the guys did a fantastic job. It turned out absolutely perfect. A lot of these EVs, we have the whole roof being glass. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna open up this sunroof here. Oh, you guys, this is so cool. It actually opened up from the middle. You really have that great open air feel. The screen here, okay, so I am a big fan of having a dash right in front of me. And I know in the Tesla, they really do not have that. You just have that one main screen in the middle. Big fan of having the dash in front of you as well as the other screen. I think that it looks really nice and clean. I love the start stop button. I know in the Tesla, you just put it in gear. I don't know, I always just feel like I need to hit start or stop. It makes me feel comfortable that I for sure am in park. There's some other cool things in here. I'll tell you what, this reminds me of an older vehicle. I know my grandma had a station wagon, right? It's completely open in the middle here. I feel like there should be a seat right here for a third person, but this just makes it much easier to clean in here. We do have our center console here, pretty straightforward. Got our cup holders. Those are a little small, to be honest with you. And I feel like I would love to see the walls of this center console be a little higher, but then again, it probably would fill up with a bunch of crap. I don't even know what's in my center console, let alone my glove box. So maybe that is a good thing, that's for sure. They have the Bose sound system in here. I think that was a great choice by Hyundai to put that in this vehicle. I think Bose is fantastic. They have a great name. They have great quality sound. And I really think that gives it a step up inside this vehicle for sure. Ethan, if you look on the door, there's trim kind of by the armrest there. It almost looks like some sort of fabric, but it's actually like a plastic coating. I think that looks really, really sharp. I love the way it feels, and I think it's only on the doors. I don't think it is anywhere else in here. No, it's not. It's only on the doors. That's really, really cool. I really like that. Let's check out the back end. But I wonder if there's much room back here for me. I'm kind of a big guy. Let's see here. Well, my knees are not hitting, but this seat up here is all the way back, so I'd imagine that it wouldn't be a problem fitting 2 car seats in here. Don't think you'd be able to get that third child in here, but you could try. So let's check out the back end here and see how much space we have. Hold that. Doesn't want to open. She's not happy right now. Is it a she or a he? I'm not really sure.
Always a she.
Oh, always a she. Okay, it's a she. Oh, boats are always she. Okay, well, I don't know why the thing isn't opening. Oh, there we go. Is that as high as it goes up? I am gonna bash my head against that thing loading any groceries in here, in and out. If that went up higher, I'd be okay with the space back here, but I'll tell you what, that is something that really bothers me right there. Got this camera back here. That's kind of creepy, actually. I know that that's like the reverse camera, but when you open the trunk here, it's like, hi, how are you? Yeah, I know, that was weird. A few months ago, our hatch on our Jeep stopped working in the back. Like, it just kept falling, right? We had to order a new arm or whatever, and for at least 2 months, we didn't have it working. I swear I nailed my head on that thing a dozen times. I could see this being a big issue for some people. But you have a lot of these edges and curves and stuff. I mean, look at this around the fender here. This is very technical and difficult to do. Our guys nailed it. It looks fantastic. Should we test out the headlights, guys? Let's test out the headlights. I know I'm a big fan of headlights. I love the little cubey box things within the light. That's kind of unique. I do like the LEDs though. You gotta have great LEDs on these vehicles. I think they look really good. We do a lot of stealths here, that's for sure. They're stealth conversions though, where this was just a stealth protection because it was already stealth, and so we put the stealth on top of it to give it that protection. We also did the ceramic coating on here for the client. Wants to make sure he has that ease of maintenance on the vehicle. It just makes washing your vehicle easier. So what do you think, guys? Is this a vehicle that you'd want to bebop around in town with? Really appreciate you guys being with us. This was a lot of fun. Love talking about these new, unique vehicles, especially the EVs, the future. That's where everything's going. Catch us next time, next Friday. We'll be here with another new video. Thanks so much, guys. Peace out.